everyone. Today I am at Koura Way and the roads are blocked because of a landslide, broken road, and it's been closed for nearly 2 months now. And as you can see, no vehicles going and coming. We will head down there and you guys can see it for yourself why the road is closed. You may think that the road is okay, but no, it's not. We have several families who are affected by this particular the rain that happened 2 months ago, heavy rainfall, which caused this. Hopefully, the engineers of NCDC sees this and make an effort to fix this road, as traffic has been clogging up everywhere now in the main Hanobata village. And hopefully, this video reaches out to everyone and that our city authorities can make an effort to fix this road so that traffic can be freed up from Tokorara and Hanuabada and Baroni Way coming up Badihagwa. Yeah, as you can see, the road is blocked. The locals have blocked it, but I will show you why it's like this. Uh, Road is pretty damaged. As you can see, as you can see, that's the extent of the damage. You can see the ground is falling off on the side. Footpath is also breaking. It's impossible for the vehicle to go. See how wide the road is damaged, how deep the trenches are. Very bad. This is the second time the governments are going to fix this road. It's pretty bad. Look. It's not only this section, there's also a section going down. We can walk down and see. Locals have blocked off the road. Government has to intervene on this. Okay, there's this section down here that's also showing signs of crack. You can see. The road is cracked all the way through. Yeah, look, this one is also cracked. dangerous. You see the stone wall cracking, big crack. Hopefully this video reaches the authorities so the authorities can make some move and probably do a better job than previous job that was done. Thank you for watching, and all for PNG.